little cute puppies. Come on. You're scared. They're all in there. There's my dog scratching himself. That's the mom over there. I don't know if I can see it, but it's right there. That's the mom. I think my pants are burning. I mean, my shorts are just burning. Oh, you're laying down on your sister. Why would you lick that anyways? Dude, you're laying down on your sister, you know. So cute. Let me pull one out. Shoot, it's gonna be kind of hard. Oh, I got one out. There he is. So cute. I might get one, maybe. Ow, ow, stop. Teeth are sharp. Are you a boy or a girl? Oh, you're a girl. Mostly all of you are girls. Oh, you okay? I don't know how they pulled you in though. You alright? Need some help? Sorry for doing this though. Oh, that wasn't your leg. There you go. It's weird. The other puppies are down there, but I can't find them. Bye.